Look at that. Isn't that just beautiful? Look at this. Wow. What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold4, and I have a new case for it from a great, awesome company called UAG, or Urban Armor Gear. Now, they make some awesome cases. Now, this is the Civilian series for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold4 5G, and I love their cases for all their phones. They're drop tested, they're pretty heavy duty. Now with the Fold, this is a little bit of a different device, so I'm glad UAG has a case that could be something that you could look into if you want some good protection, but also, look good at the same time. This is a thin fit design that you can pick up on Amazon. It's about 59 bucks. They got the Mallard, which is this blue one. They also have a black and a olive. The olive looks pretty hot. Interested in getting that maybe in the future. But remember, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel. That's right, and hit that notification bell so you know when videos like this are coming. So we're gonna go ahead and take this out of the packaging. UAG always has quality packaging and quality products. That's why they're not the cheapest case, but definitely something that, I mean, look at the packaging. I mean, it's top notch. But as you can see, this is a really, really good design here from UAG. And man, I'm kind of liking this. Now you got some stickers there for your front cover, probably, most likely, and the side cover. Gives you some installation guidelines here. You can take a look at that if you want to when you pick it up. Now I'll leave some links down in the description where you guys can purchase this. But like I said, it's got these stickers in here, and it has this felt here, so it's real soft on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold4. And then you have some sticker here also. I'm not gonna take that off for the install. You have some stickers here on the inside too. Let me see if you guys can see that. There you go, on the inside. So they do a pretty good job of having the stickers so your case doesn't slide off your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold4. Go ahead and turn that on. What a beautiful device, huh? This thing is just gorgeous. All right, so let's pop it in here. I'm gonna put the back cover on first, and then we'll pop on the, oh wow. Yeah, and I like this, wow. This is gonna compete my my strap case that I absolutely love, but I love this hinge protection because it's not bulky. It's just a thin piece so that you have, and then the front cover here it has some really good protection on this all the way around. This is impressive. So if you put it down, you're not, I mean, it is a little bulky, but it makes, the thing that makes it a little less bulky is the hinge. It's real thin because all you really need to do is protect a little bit from getting scratched. But this is definitely a heavy hitter. And then look at that. Isn't that just beautiful? Look at this. Wow. This is a pretty good case. And you get that good camera protection there. Excellent camera protection. Then you got your volume up and down. I like this, how they did the button and the volume up and down as a cover. I like how they did that because a lot of these companies have a big slit here. So you kind of brace your front end. I mean, it takes a little work to get your, but you just do a little press with your finger and you're good. I like how you have this raised lip here on both sides. Yeah, this is, all right, let's open it up here. You may have to put some glue because these are big pieces that are on the end, and you do get some good some good lip protection, hinge protection on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold, as you can see there. But this is a really pretty good case. I'm not gonna lie, this is pretty impressive. One of the better ones that I've seen. It is a little bulky, so you will have to take that into consideration if you do pick this up. It is a little bulky, but especially on the front, it does have some, you know, that big giant cover on the top. But your buttons, everything is really laid out real nice. But yeah, I really do dig this, but I will have to put the glue on there, not the glue but the stickers, so that this stays, so that when you're opening and closing it, it'll stay on the device. But that's gonna do it, man. I'm gonna get out of here. I'm Android Stud. Thanks so much for watching. Check out some of the other videos on the channel on the Galaxy Z Fold. I got a few cases on there, but yeah, this is pretty hot. The UAG Civilian series. Peace, party people.